In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva in 2025. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned designer, Canva offers easy tools and templates to create stunning visuals. Let's dive right in. To start crafting your design, head over to the homepage of Canva. You'll see a search bar prominently at the top of the page. This is your gateway to endless design possibilities. Click into the search bar and type in what you're looking to create, perhaps a spectacular work presentation, a compelling social media post, or anything in between. Just let your creativity run wild. For example, if you need to put together a work presentation, simply type work presentation into the search bar. You'll be greeted with a variety of beautiful pre-made templates designed to save you time and provide inspiration. Scroll through this extensive selection. Take your time. Finding the right template is an essential step as it sets the tone for your entire project. Once you find the template that resonates with your purpose and style, click on Customize this template. This action opens up the template for you to start personalizing and adding content specific to your needs. This workspace is where the magic happens as you tailor each aspect to fit your vision. The existing text on the template can be modified to suit your message. Double-click any text box and type in the information you want to convey. Don't hesitate to play with colors and fonts to match your branding or preferred aesthetic. Canva's real-time preview will always keep you in the loop of what your design will look like. If you want to enrich your design with more visuals, head over to the Elements tab. Here you can search for graphics, shapes, lines, and icons, anything your design could benefit from. Perhaps you're looking for a touch of whimsy. Try searching for cute animals to find delightful illustrations that can add a charming touch to your presentation. Drag and drop these elements right into your canvas. It's as simple as clicking and moving. Adding more text boxes is straightforward too. Navigate to text if you'd like to supplement your layout with additional captions or headlines. Choose from basic text boxes or artistic typography pairings to elevate your design experience. Now perhaps you have your own images to integrate. Click on Uploads to bring in personal photos or branding assets from your device. Simply drag and drop these uploaded images directly onto your template. Canva makes it a breeze. As you experiment, remember that the undo button is your friend. Don't be afraid to try different placements and adjustments until everything looks just right. Once you're satisfied, your design is ready to be shared with the world, reflecting both your unique vision and the power of Canva. Thank you for watching and happy designing with Canva in 2025.